Hi, in this video we're going to have some tips on how to navigate through your Excel database. What is an Excel database? It is a group of hundreds of tables, interconnecting tables that make your database. So at the moment, to navigate, you can't navigate anywhere. You have to, if you want to go to a sheet, you got to right click and choose the sheet. And remember, your database will have hundreds of sheets, or even thousands, as you getting more and more into setting up your database. So the way to navigate quickly is to give all of your data a table name. So let's go in the first one here. Click anywhere inside the data. Control T. Has got headers. Click OK. Let's go and give it a name same as this. Let's give it the name the same as a sheet. Right click, rename, copy this, paste it there, enter. So there we are, our first navigation. So now we can go to SQLite sequence in a split second. So you see, still the others aren't named yet. So let's go and name job. So let's Control T, click anywhere inside the data, Control T, has got headers, click OK. Give it a name, job, enter. Now we can navigate to job quickly. If I want to navigate to the title of this video, then what I can do, I select the cell and I can create a name range, formula, name manager, new, let's call it title. Click OK, close. So now if I'm in any sheet and I want to navigate to my title sheet, I can quickly navigate to my title sheet. And so you go through every single table until you've eventually got hundreds of sequences here, and you can navigate from any sheet in your Excel database. So let's go and do another one. Class, click anywhere inside your data, Control T. Table has got headers, click OK. Rename it class, enter. Right, now we can navigate to class. If we want to navigate to title, if we want to navigate to job, let's make another one for asset. Click anywhere inside the data, Control T, has got headers, click OK. Title, TITLE. Enter. Okay, let's make it. Oh, it's got to be asset. Sorry, asset. Enter. So that's what's nice as well. You can't duplicate your name, so it has to be unique. So now we've got an asset to navigate to, and this is a huge help in your database to be able to navigate quickly through thousands of. You'll have hundreds of these navigation names. So that's all for this video. If you like what you see, please click the like button below, subscribe to receive future videos, and thank you for watching.